Hi everybody, this is Lucas Gillespie, Director of Digital Learning and Media for Surry County Schools. I want to quickly share with you 5 tips for promoting your makerspace. If you're just getting started with makerspaces or you're a veteran, you know that when we allow students to explore, create, and design while giving them the tools to do it, they do amazing things. It's vital for educators to tell our story and to help our students tell theirs. So here's tip number 1. Consider creating an Instagram and or a Twitter account for your makerspace. Use a common hashtag when sharing out things that your students are doing in the makerspace, and encourage students who are old enough to use their social media accounts and that hashtag as well. Tip number 2, partner with a local community organization. This is a great way to challenge your students to solve real-world problems and to help them grow as leaders. Tip number 3, reflecting on your journey is so important. It's vital. Reflection is also important for our students. Consider setting up a blog to do this and to share your reflections. There are a lot of free tools out there that you can use to get started, and encourage your students to write about their experiences as well. Even consider having them be a guest blogger on your site or start their own blog. Tip number 4, reach out to the local media. Local newspapers, radio, and TV stations can be great ways to share what's going on in your makerspace. Too often the media spends time talking about what kids can't do. Let's show them what kids can do. And lastly, tip number 5, host a Maker Day or Maker Night for parents and the community. Students should run this event, and they should be showcasing what they've learned and what they've designed in your makerspace. Promoting what's happening is so important. Share your journey and help students share theirs. Thanks.